I don't want to do this. I'm not going to do it. I don't want to do it. Hello, friends, and welcome to my channel.
All right, hey guys. So we're doing things a little bit differently today. So we have a Stitch Fix here for my beloved Dave. This is Dave, by the way, my hubby.
Hello.
You guys maybe have met if you've been here a while. I think we did a video together, what, last year or something? But we thought it would be fun to order him a Stitch Fix and do a regular Stitch Fix video.
Yep.
Now, tell me, what would you consider your fashion to be?
I'm a basic meat and potatoes type of guy. Blue jeans, t-shirt, flannel.
How do you feel about wearing skinny jeans?
Yeah, no. So, I mean, they don't have to be super baggy, but the skinny jeans, I don't know. I'm 42 years old, you know, I don't know.
What are you going to do if there's a pair of skinny jeans in here?
I'll try them on, you know what? I mean, the fashion don't lie. If I look ridiculous in something, it's like, whatever.
Well, our struggle with the band was very much finding what our fashion was. And we went through, especially with him, we went through like super country look. We did a photo shoot with Holy jeans and a Carhartt, and how did that look?
Yeah, that didn't look good.
No. So I think he's coming around to more modern styles than his classic t-shirt, blue jeans, cowboy boots look. So, all right, let's get into it.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, while he opens this up, if you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix, go ahead. It is a styling service where you fill out a profile, stylist sends you 5 items, you decide what to keep and then send back what you don't want to keep. Ooh, his comes in a fancy bag. So that's cool. There's a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase, and if you buy all 5 items, you get 25% off. You have 3 days usually to decide what to keep, but right now they are just extending checkout dates and stuff like that because of, you know, everything that's going on. So let's get into it. Okay, and your bundle. Okay, what do you want to start with, shoes or bundle?
Shoes, I guess.
Okay, here you go. It's a cool looking bag. Oh, did we show that to the camera? There's the shoe bag.
Okay.
Ooh.
I don't hate these.
I don't hate those at all.
This is a rye or
Never
a
heard of that? Okay, I like that shoe though.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, cool.
First thing is a long sleeve button down shirt. White stripes.
White and gray.
White and gray stripes.
Do you like this?
I wear these, so it's a FAIRLANE and Sons. Extra large, tall, slim, so that's exactly my cut.
I don't think you have anything this pattern right now.
I don't have anything this pattern, but the long sleeve button down is my style.
Yeah, you do like a long sleeve button down. Okay.
Yeah.
I like it.
So far, so good.
Okay.
The next thing is a polo. I've never been a polo guy.
No, he is not a polo guy.
TAILOR vintage brand. Okay. But I'm not opposed to them because I know they're...
And it's a soft polo. It's not like one of those stiff polos.
Right.
I like that. Do you like the color?
Yeah, I like the color.
Okay.
So. The next is a t-shirt, and this is right up my alley. Threads for Thoughts brand, and I don't mind the color.
And it's just a simple plain t-shirt, which you like.
Yep.
Awesome. Ooh.
And the pants.
Please be skinny, please be skinny.
Is a EZEKIEL.
Okay, I'm learning all new brands.
305.
Chopper.
I don't know if it's skinny or not, but it's so anyways, I don't mind this at all.
Yeah, I mean, I like you in a great pant.
Right. I don't mind that at all. I don't mind collar and, you know, stuff like that. So, okay. Okay,
so let's do the try on.
All right, let's do it. Okay, I got 3 of the 5 pieces on, starting from the top. The shirt, it's a style that I wear already, so there's nothing shocking there, but I like it. It fits great. It's my right size, and the print and everything, I don't have a problem with it. This is obviously untucked, and then this is obviously tucked, and I think it looks great both ways. The pants, I love them. I never would have bought these myself. They're a stretch, and the material, I never would have ever went this direction. And then the shoes are, obviously, I love them. It's already kind of the style that I'd wear anyway, so. But the big shocking part is the pants, that I like the way they look and I like the way they feel. Problem is they're just a little bit long, but no problem, I can get them exchanged for a smaller size. Okay, so this is the purple t-shirt. Once again, my style, what I would buy for myself. I wouldn't have probably bought the collar, but I don't mind it. So, and that's obviously untucked and with a slight tuck. Yeah, don't have a problem with it. I like it. And this is the Polo, and I do not have a problem with this Polo at all. I've never, ever been a Polo guy, and I like this. It's a good cut. It's a good quality Polo, where I don't think the Polos I bought in the past was the cheapest thing I could because I was going golfing that day, so I had to stop by Walmart and buy a Polo. And they were, you know, just a low quality, not a good material, and a bad fit. This thing fits me like a glove, and I like it. I might be a Polo guy now. So anyways, that's that. Okay, we got the prices. So let's see what we got. The first, the EZEKIEL chopped hybrid now jean.
Oh, it's a hybrid. I wonder what makes it a hybrid.
Olive color, size 38. It is $69.
Okay, that's actually not bad. I mean, that's more affordable than a lot of pants I get sent to me.
Right, because I mean, the style that I commonly wear is, you know, still upwards to 40, 50 bucks.
Yeah, that's true. According to this, it's the world's most comfortable denim. Is it in fact?
Denim?
I mean, I think that's why it's called a hybrid, because it's like, it's denim, but it's really stretchy.
Okay, so my summary of them is, surprisingly, I never would have bought them myself. The material, the color, but the fit and the feel and the price, I love. I'm in
love with these too.
Yeah,
these are nice.
I would keep them.
Now these are. Well, I think we'd shorten them. Or yeah, get a shorter pair.
I guess the problem is they're a little long.
Yeah.
I would go a size shorter. Mm-hmm. Other than that, I love them.
Me too. All right, cool. Next.
The next one is the Rye by Hawker Rye Classic Sneaker. Black 10.5 size. I love them.
Price?
$75. And
okay.
Typically, I would pay probably no more than $50, but you know, I'm going out on a whim here.
Yeah, I'm obsessed with these. I
love
really,
them.
really like these.
I don't have a problem.
I think this is something that if we were at a shoe store and we saw these, we'd pick them out for
probably,
you.
yes.
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know.
Maybe we'd never get to the point where you tried it on.
Right.
But now that you did try it on.
Love them.
Love them.
And
Agreed.
not a bad, I'm going to say not a bad price.
No, that's not terrible.
Thread for Thought, Crew, purple, extra large t-shirt, $28.
This is $28?
Yep, and that's...
I never get stuff that's $28.
So that is, that's the common price for any t-shirt I guess I'd probably buy. So I don't have a problem with that. I love the material, I love the way it fit.
I almost felt like it was slightly too big, that maybe we'd want to size down in this one.
Would it shrink the first time I washed it?
Okay, material is 50% polyester, 38 cotton, 12% rayon. So I'm not sure how much it would shrink. So we might want to try this on again and see if you'd want to size down in it.
Okay.
But it's a great t-shirt.
All right, the next one is the TAILOR Vintage Navy Polo, and it's $49. Yeah, that's exactly what I would probably expect to pay for something like that.
And would you wear this?
Absolutely.
Where would you wear this?
Anywhere a polo is required. I don't know.
I mean, this is a great looking shirt on you, for the record.
Right, that'd be...
I really liked it.
It's a casual event thing, so that's what I would wear it to. And I liked it. I really, really liked it. So $49, not a bad price at all. It's exactly what I would expect to pay.
Yep.
The Fairlane and Sons dress shirt, $49.50. Yeah, because I think for the other style I've been getting is about that.
It's actually a tall. It looks like it's there. So it's an extra large tall.
Oh, okay.
And that's typically what we paid at Gap for an extra large tall.
Yeah, I don't have a problem with that at all. The total box was $270.50. We had a 25% discount.
If you buy everything.
Oh, if I buy everything. So that's taken off $67.63. That would make the box $202.87. There was a $50 credit on there from probably
I had a promotion where I could use it. They gave me a special link to give $50 off. I think I offered it on my channel and nobody took me up on it, so we gave it to get this guy. So go ahead.
So anyways, with all them credits, free shipping, the total box was $152.87.
So that's on average $30 per piece.
Right. So for an entire outfit from head to toe, plus a couple shirts on top of that, I don't have a problem with that at all. That's extremely cheap, I thought.
Are we keeping the entire box?
I think I'm keeping the entire box. And not only that, I found a couple items that I never would have found for myself. So not only is it a convenient way to shop, but an awesome way for guys like me who knows nothing really about, you know, exploring different avenues of fashion, a way to explore them in the comfort of your own home. I loved everything that I got.
I do too. So I was extremely impressed with this box as well. I'm jealous. I've had one 5 for 5 in like 2 years of doing this, and your first box was a 5 for 5. So I'm kind of mad at you for that, but great box.
Right. Most importantly, what's it look like with a guitar? So, I definitely look better. I think I even sound a little better.
All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. We just thought it would be a fun switch up. I had a blast because it's fun playing dress up with your husband. And I appreciate you guys watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below. If you guys enjoyed this video, he actually has his own channel where we've just put some of his TikToks on. Potentially we could do more stuff like this. I know most of you are female viewers who like watching female fashion, but if there's a random dude out there that enjoys this, let us know in the comments. Right. So, okay, we'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.
Bye.